We're currently on an expedition through the forest to see if we can find anything that's peculiar. So far, there's grass, there's wood, trees, leaves, and rocks. So far, nothing too out of the ordinary. What was that? Who's there? Oh, look at that! It's a silly bird. Yeah, that's right. We're talking to you, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you a silly parrot.
And you're a silly goose.
Oh, well, I guess I deserve that.
Whoa, look! A rock! I'm gonna eat that rock!
Don't be silly. Birds don't eat rocks.
I do. Come here, Rocky! I'm gonna... Boy, that hits the spot! Now, I'm gonna go practice my flying. Would you look at that? It's starting to rain. Oh dear. I can't fly in the rain. Or can I? I'm stupid enough to give it a try. Let's give it a try. Bum, 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 bum.
Wait, no! You're gonna get your feathers all wet.
Who needs to listen to you? I'm gonna go fly! That's what I'll do. I'm flying! I'm doing it! I'm actually flying! Whoa, I'm flying home to Mommy and Daddy! Whoa, boom!
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I've actually done this lots of times before. I'm used to it. My bird species is very prone to, just falling or whatever. Besides, it's not even raining that hard.
Oh, I get it.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta go find more rocks to eat. Bye! Zip!
That bird will never learn.